There's a reason you felt drawn to this message. Your intuition and your guides have led you here. Ready for the message meant only for you? Welcome to Mystic Enchantress 1111. Happy Soul Saturday, beautiful souls. This reading connects you with your inner truth, healing, and spiritual alignment. I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll pull out the cards and see how it goes. So we'll do a reading for your spiritual alignment. What do your ancestors and guides want you to know about your love? Okay, what your ancestors want to reveal now. Just remember, this is your collective reading for all signs in general. So what your ancestors want to reveal now is Temperance. The karmic love patterns you are breaking is Eight of Swords, and the blessings behind past heartbreak is King of Cups. Who is being aligned with your love destiny is Six of Cups. A future love opportunity guided your way is Six of Wands. How your ancestors are clearing obstacles is Two of Cups. Your next love chapter, Six of Pentacles. Your long-term love destiny is Strength. We'll also pull out the Oracle card, which will say the ancestral prophecy. One sentence they want you to remember. Air Guardian, shift your perception. Okay. So, what your ancestors want to reveal now is your ancestors want you to balance the give and take in your life. It can be a balance between your career and your love life, balance between your career and family, or family and friends, or family or love life. So whatever it might be, your ancestors are revealing that you need to practice the balance and practice the patience, because you have knowledge and you are very loyal and honest and kind-hearted, and you also have the divine blessings. But still, in order to be success and in order to see the growth in your life, you need to know how to balance things. So your ancestors are asking you to, or your ancestors are revealing that you need to balance. You need to have patience. The karmic love pattern you are breaking. So if at all you are suffering, or if at all you are attracting the same kind of person in your life as a partner, where you really feel trapped because of that person or because of that relationship, then this is the time where your ancestors will break this love pattern in your life, and you will see eventually the growth and stability. So if at all you are suffering, comment me below if it resonates with anyone. If at all you are suffering in a relationship which will really make you mentally trapped, and which will make you suffocated, and which will pressurize you, then that karmic love pattern will be broken by the help of your ancestors. The blessings behind past heartbreaks. So whatever past heartbreaks you have, still you are very compassionate and loyal, and you are walking towards the success in your life, and I can see better opportunity coming your way, better love opportunity coming your way, which will give you growth and success, and you will be emotionally stable after that. But just watch an opportunity passing by so that you don't miss it. Okay, this will be your blessing behind your past heartbreaks. So you will find a partner you'll find a love opportunity, but just be careful that not to miss that. And who is being aligned with your love destiny. So there might be some person from your childhood or from your childhood memory. That person will come back into your life who will align with your love destiny. So you might find that person. That time you might never know that you will be meeting this person as love of your life, but now you'll understand that this person is your destiny, and that person will trigger the nostalgia of childhood memories, and you'll feel very happy and joyful with that person, and you'll also celebrate a lot with that person. A future love opportunity guided your way. So, as I said, your ancestors will give you a blessing, a person with the opportunity, and that person might be from your childhood, and that new love of yours is guided your way with lot of name and fame. That person has lot of growth in their life. They also carry name and fame, and also they might also have the public recognition, and there might be some famous figure. So if someone pops up suddenly into your life and that person is from your childhood, so don't be amazed. That is a blessing from your ancestors. So just cherish that relationship. So how your ancestors are clearing the obstacles? As I already said, the ancestors are clearing the past love patterns, karmic patterns of your life, and once they clear that, you will find the person, the future love of your life, and they are clearing that karmic pattern in such a way that the future love and you, the future partner of yours, will have lot of compassion between both of you, and you both complement each other, and there is lot of strength or stability between both of you, and either one of you have lot of growth and they'll walk towards the success, and the other person will have lot of name and fame. That can be a person, and they walk through the success of their life, and you both together complement each other with lot of stability and happiness. So that person can be your soulmate. Okay, so your next love chapter will be very happy, because as I said, this person is very famous. So that person also have the habit of balancing, which will make you complete, because your ancestors want you to learn how to balance, but the person entering in your life is already a person with lot of balance and patience, and they are very generous in nature. So they will also teach you how to balance and how to be patient, because they have lot of name and fame, and they know how to balance situations and things even when they carry lot of name and fame. So they are very generous in nature. So your next love chapter will be very happy with lot of learning from your partner of how to balance things out and how to be patient and how to be generous. Your long-term love destiny is strength. As I said, you will have strength and stability in your love life. So your long-term love will be very stable, and it is like you'll have lot of strength, which will give you happiness and growth in this relationship. Okay? And the final one sentence what your ancestors want you to remember is shift your perception. So in order to attract anything new, you need to change your perception in a positive way to get rid of the negativity in your life and make your life happy and successful. So you need to shift your perception, and you need to learn how to balance things and try to be patient. And whatever the karmic love patterns you had in your past life where you felt stuck and trapped in that relationship, don't worry, your ancestors are helping you to break this. And once you break this, you will be very compassionate, and you will be emotionally stable, and there might be some love opportunity coming your way, and just be careful, don't miss that opportunity which is coming your way, because that opportunity, that person can be from your childhood, which will make you very happy, and you will really enjoy and cherish that moments, because that person is not only from your childhood, he or she is your future soulmate, and he or she is very famous. They can be having a public recognition, they are very famous personality, and your ancestors are helping you to break this karmic pattern. Eventually you will have a soulmate connection which will have lot of strength and which will be successful. And not only that, this person of yours will teach you how to balance things, and also teach you how to be patient enough, and you'll enjoy the next chapter of your life, how to be generous, how to balance, and how to be patient. And eventually your long-term love will be filled with strength, stability, success, and happiness. And your ancestors want you to remember to just shift your perception from the negative way of thinking to positive way in order to change your life. Hope this resonates. Comment me below if it resonates. Thank you for being here on Soul Saturday. Honor your soul's journey and stay open to divine guidance. If this reading resonates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and trust your intuition.